Hello everyone. Today is Wednesday, July 24th, 2024. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will make price predictions for three popular stocks in the auto manufacturers sector, which are Tesla, Lucid Group, and NIO. The auto manufacturers sector was one of the worst performing sectors in the stock market on Tuesday, with all three stocks falling by more than 2%. So how will these three stocks perform next? Will they continue to fall or rebound? Let's take a look. Tesla. The ticker symbol is TSLA. Through the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $232.90 is the lowest position of the stock price after the correction. On the morning of July 12th, the stock price fell deeply to this position and then rebounded strongly, and a large trading volume was generated, indicating that large funds have entered the market and pushed the stock price to rebound. But we also saw that on the morning of July 11th, the stock price fell deeply and rapidly, and a larger trading volume was generated. There is no doubt that some capital cashed out at this position. On July 15th, the stock price fell sharply again after rising during the intraday trading. The market generated some large trading volumes again at this position, indicating that capital has withdrawn from the market again. Although the day still closed in the green, it seemed to bring more uncertainty and negative sentiment to the market. On July 23rd, the morning trading concentrated most of the trading volume of the day, but the stock price fell by 2% at the close. The intraday bulls tried to pull up the stock price but failed. Negative sentiment increased. The large-scale selling in the morning trading indicated that the stock price may enter a downward trend. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The trading volume of the stock on Tuesday was slightly higher than the previous trading day, indicating that the selling force in the morning trading of that day was still very strong. In the past 2 weeks, the stock has struggled to maintain the stock price, but the decline on Tuesday seems to indicate that the market is no longer maintaining the stock price, which also means that some capital has withdrawn from the market, so I think the stock will enter a downward trend next. As for where it will fall, the target price I currently see is $214.1, but it is still difficult to judge the specific rebound position of the stock price. But there is strong support above $210, and I don't think it may fall below this price. Lucid Group. The ticker symbol is LCID. From the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that in the morning trading of July 12th, the stock price rose strongly and rapidly to $4.32, and a large trading volume was generated. Then the stock price fluctuated greatly at a high level, but the stock price did not fall. However, after the market opened the next day, the stock price fell rapidly and deeply, giving up most of the gains of the previous trading day, indicating that large capital has completed the high-level cashing action and the market no longer maintains the stock price. This is a negative bearish signal. From July 17th to 23rd, the stock price continued to fall and the trading volume gradually decreased. There was almost no effective rebound in the market to prevent the stock price from falling, and the shorts dominated the market price. The stock price fell to $3.43 during the trading session on the 23rd and then began to rebound, but the strength of this rebound was very weak and the trading volume was not large, indicating that no large funds have entered the market to take over the chips. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. Technically, the stock is currently in a downward trend. On Tuesday, the stock did not continue the rebound trend of the previous trading day, but fell by more than 3%. Indicating that shorts still dominate the market price and the market lacks funds to drive the stock price rebound. In addition, the stock is also affected by the performance of the sector. The auto manufacturers sector did not perform well on Tuesday. It is predicted that the stock sector index may fall again next, which will bring more negative sentiment to the stock. I think the stock will continue to fall next. As for the support position, the target price I currently see is $3.13. The price corresponds to the position where some trading volume has accumulated before, which may provide a strong support for the stock. NIO. The ticker symbol is NIO. From the 30-minute chart of the stock, we can see that $4.41 is the current key support position of the stock. In July, the stock price fluctuated violently above this position, but it has never broken upward, indicating that the market lacks the large capital needed to continue to drive the stock price up. But at the same time, we also see some signals of large capital exiting the market. On July 3rd, the stock price rose sharply to $5 after the market opened, and a large trading volume was generated. However, this seemed to be a move by big capital to cash out at a high price, because the stock price has not reached the $5 position again in the following trading days. In the morning trading of July 17th, the stock price fell sharply and generated a large trading volume again, which seemed to indicate that big capital had withdrawn from the market again. On July 23rd, the stock fell by more than 4% at the close. Although the closing price had not fallen below the key support position, most of the trading volume of the day was concentrated in the morning trading. The stock price had not rebounded effectively at the end of the trading day, and the trading volume was not large, which seemed to indicate that big capital had withdrawn from the market again. Let's go back to the daily chart of the stock. The stock did not continue the rebound trend of the previous trading day on Tuesday, indicating that the market no longer maintains the rising trend of the stock price, which may lead to a further decline in the stock price. The trading volume of the stock on Tuesday was higher than the previous trading day, but compared with the trading volume of the previous few trading days, the trading volume on that day was not much, and most of the trading volume was distributed at a relatively high stock price, which also proved that no big capital had entered the market to take over the chips on that day. So I think the stock may continue to fall next. For the support level, I currently see $4.16, which corresponds to the price on June 28th. The stock price started to take off at this position, but whether the stock price can rebound at this position needs further observation. Okay, guys, the 3 hot stocks under the auto manufacturers sector have been analyzed. The market performance this week is the key to observe how these 3 stocks will develop in the future. I will continue to pay attention to these 3 stocks and bring the latest technical analysis. If you like and agree with my analysis, please subscribe to my channel. If you have different opinions, please leave a message to discuss. See you in the next video.